Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Roblox PC control. Well, in today's video, I'm going to teach you Roblox PC control. So, let's start off right here. Click on your settings. I'm going to show you the PC controls here. So, click on settings or just click on escape on your keyboard. If you want, you can just go right click here, then click here, and click on settings right here. And then once you're here, click on help. There you go. Once you're in help, you will see every thing you need to know about the Roblox. As you can see right here, we have the move forward. We can either use W, up arrow. There you go, backward, S, down arrow. Move to the left, A, left arrow. Move to the right, D, or right arrow. And to jump, you need to click on space. Accessories, 1, 2, 3. Unequipped tools, 1, 2, 3. Drop tool, backspace, use tool, left mouse button. So there you go. If you don't understand that, well, let me show you. For example, you will see. Wait, there you go. Don't leave. Let's go back here. Right here, as right now, there's nothing here. Right. I'm gonna. I think if we have an item. Wait. Let me try something. We're just gonna change a different game. So we're gonna go to home. Then choose a different game. Oh wait, I know it. Choose own server. Right. Ah, there you go. Make your own. I'll show you what I mean. Oh, there we go. Once you're here, as you can see, remember the here on the help menu, you see 1, 2, 3. For every item you have here, as you can see, you see this one, building tool. Just click on number 1 on your keyboard. Then it will show that building tool. As you can see there, somebody killed me. I'm alive. There you go. To unequip it, click on 1 again. Now, 1 to equip and 1 to unequip. Now, if you have 2 items right here, if you have the other item right here, it will be numbered as 2. So just click 2 and then click 2 again to put it down. So there you go. Next. Go next. We have on our help is we have the selection toggle. So this is the miss, and we have the screenshot alt F1. That's how you screenshot to record a video, F12, or you can do it manually. And to div cursor F9, mouse lock. There go shift. So this is mouse lock. This sometimes we it depends on the game, but if you're sometimes the game makes you shift into a crouch mode or maybe into run. So yeah, but here, let me try. What does the shift do here? Oh, it does nothing. There's nothing here. There we go. And we have the full screen F11. If you want the full screen F11 and prep stats, control shift F7. Camera mode, as you can see here, right mouse button to rotate. There you go. Let's try that. So what he means is by this one right here. When you have a mouse, then use the right mouse button to rotate. There you go. You can now rotate. There you go. But if you click the right mouse button again just once, it will go into this camera mode. There you go. And here we have the zoom in and zoom out. We can use the mouse wheel or we can either use I or O. To zoom in, just use the mouse wheel to go up. Zoom out, just use the mouse wheel to go down. And zoom in I and zoom out O. Roblox menu, just click escape. Like that, escape. There you go. And back, just use this one and find this on your keyboard. This one, so to see on your backpack. And this one, player list. Just click on tab. See all the player lists as you can see on the top right side corner. When I click tab, it disappears. When I click tab again, it reappears. You see Dean, Hans. There you go. And here, the last one on our help is chat. There you go. As you can see there. Slash. Just click on slash. You can now chat. Hi. There you go. Then click slash again. Then type hi. Then click enter. There you go. There you go, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. And if you have any questions you have any questions, just type it down in the comment section below. And a quick tip for you guys. Not all of the controls are the same in the game. Sometimes, for example, like the one that I played, there are additional controls. Like for example here, I'll show you right here. Additional controls. Let's go home. Go skate. Skate obby. Example right here. So you see we have the Q and R. You see Q, the boost, and R, the reset. So not all games have the same control, but mostly you can find them on your screen. So just click on the icon that it just wants you to click to activate it. So yeah, I hope you guys like the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, just type it down in the comment section below, and I'll be happy to answer them. Thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.